How to use ChatGPT to generate income. ChatGPT is an amazing platform if used right. There are a lot of things that ChatGPT can do which you can use to generate income. Right now, the most popular niches or jobs that are famous are content writing, script writing, or blog writing. And these kind of things AI can write in minutes. You just need to write a good prompt to AI and it will give you good results. You can open your own blog or start applying for blog writer. Not only that, but you can also start writing scripts for movies. There are many companies that are searching for remote workers who can stay at home and work for them. You can find these kind of jobs in Fiverr, Upwork, or other social media platforms. You need to build a resume and start applying. Once you find a job, then you can just come up to ChatGPT and start writing. You can also tweak or modify these texts or simply give ChatGPT a better prompt. Then go to freelancing platforms and start applying. That's all for today. Thank you.